Today we'll show you how to install InvisibleShield Glass Plus for the iPhone XS. In the box you'll find information on the limited lifetime guarantee, a wet wipe to clean the screen, a microfiber cleaning cloth, a dust removal sticker to remove any remaining lint or dust, a tray, and the InvisibleShield Glass Plus screen protector. Before you apply your InvisibleShield, wash your hands with soap and water and dry them thoroughly. First, clean your screen using the wet wipe to remove any smudges and oils. Follow up with the microfiber cloth. And finally, use the dust removal sticker to pick up any debris that may have settled back down on the screen. Now you're ready to install your InvisibleShield. Place the Easy Apply tray on the front of your phone. Using the tab marked Number 1, remove the clear backing. Be careful not to touch the exposed adhesive side. Hold the InvisibleShield using the Easy Apply tabs and align the speaker cutouts with the speaker on your phone. Lay it down on the phone, press in the middle of the screen, and watch as the InvisibleShield applies itself. Gently press out any bubbles, and then remove the yellow liner. And remove the installation tray. Use the microfiber cloth to remove any fingerprints and smooth out any remaining microbubbles. And there you have it, smooth, strong protection that lets you use your device confidently wherever you are.